Hello, this is Dr. Steve Darrington with Darrington Orthopedics, Interventional Sports and Spine. Today I'm going to answer a question for you. Are stem cell treatments legal in the United States? And the answer is yes, depending on what kind of stem cell you're talking about. In the United States, you're legally allowed to use your own bone marrow stem cells to treat orthopedic issues all over your body, whether it's your back, your knee, your shoulder, your hip. These can all be treated using your own stem cells as long as they're not manipulated or grown or made to do something different than what they're supposed to do naturally. Now, if someone's telling you that they are going to take your bone marrow or even your fat and grow them in a lab and put them back in you a week or two later, that's not illegal. That's not legal, excuse me. If they're telling you that they've got a product in a little vial from umbilical cord or amniotic cells or something from some kind of birth tissue, and they're saying that's stem cells, it's not, first of all. And second of all, even if it was, that's not legal. The FDA regulates what is allowed and what is not allowed. And using your own bone marrow to treat orthopedic issues, as long as you don't manipulate those cells, that is considered FDA compliant, and you are allowed to do that, and I'm not allowed to do that under the state medical license that I carry. If you manipulate those cells, that becomes illegal, and unfortunately right now, that is not an option in the United States. But fortunately, the legal stem cell treatments that are done in the United States have a lot of good evidence, and they can give some really good outcomes to people that have been dealing with various orthopedic injuries, whether they're acute or you've been dealing with them for 20 years. So if this is something that resonates with you and you're dealing with one of these issues, there are legal options in the United States to use your stem cells. Reach out to me if you're interested. DarringtonOrtho.com. Again, this is Steve Darrington at Darrington Orthopedics, Interventional Sports and Spine.